Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ring Doorbell camera. As you can see here, it has a light there. You can see where to ring the doorbell and the camera above it so you can see people coming up to ring your doorbell, people passing in front of your door. It's a pretty good high definition camera. It also has audio where you can speak to people or have them speak to you, and you can see them on your phone. I'll show you that. Here you can see the camera on my phone here. I could move it around a little bit and see out the front. You can press the button down here and be able to turn on the speaker so you can talk to people or listen with the microphone there. So it's a good camera for security and to see who's at your house or who's at your front door before you even open it. You can view recorded video or live video. I hope this video of the